Right. Okay. So question 5. In a geometric progression, the sum to infinity is 4 times the first term. Show that the common ratio is 3/4. Right, so we need to start by interpreting what the question says. The sum to infinity, well, that's a over 1 minus r on the formula booklet. And that is 4 times the first term. So a over 1 minus r is equal to 4 times the first term a. And we need to solve this equation. Well, it's got a as a common factor of both sides. Let's multiply by 1 minus r first. 4a times 1 minus r. Look, we've got a common factor on both sides of a. So if we divide through by a, we get 1 is 4 times 1 minus r. And now it's a quite simple thing to solve just in terms of r. 1 is 4 minus 4r. So 4r equals 3. And then we've shown r equals 3/4. Given that, that's quite nice, isn't it? 3 marks for that. Given that the third term is 9, find the first term. So again, in a geometric progression, the term, we've got this in the formula booklet as well, the third term is a times r to the n minus 1. So that's ar squared. So again, we're just using the information given us in the question. The third term is 9. The common ratio is 3/4. We know that now. So that means that a times 3/4 squared is equal to 9. And we've got another equation to solve. A times 9/16 is equal to 9. And so I reckon that gives us a equals 16, doesn't it? That's our answer from that. Have we really just got 6 marks for doing that? That's great. Find the sum of the first 20 terms. So again, we've just talked about the formulas that we've got. There they are on the formula booklet. We've used that one. We've just used that one. We've got the a times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r to use as well. So this is sum of the first 20 terms. Is a times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. Notice a few people occasionally make the mistake of not doing r to the n now and doing r to the n minus 1 like in the nth term formula. But notice the difference with that. So we've got to do 16 times 1 minus 3/4 to the 20 divided by 1 minus 3/4. Which you probably want to put that into a calculator, because I don't want to do it. It's going to be just under 64, isn't it, I think? That might not even be true. Has anybody worked it out? 63 point. Yeah. Yeah. I've got 63.797 written here, which we would write to 3 significant figures, wouldn't we? It didn't specify anything. Oh, no. So 63.8. To 3 significant figures. Whoa, great! We've just picked up another 8 marks. Flying through it. And that's maths. It's still recording.